Hello everyone, welcome to our channel to learn Chinese language and characters. You may have a question, how to write Chinese characters. For example, this character and this character. These characters are very complicated and I honestly don't know how to write them or how to read them or what they mean. But don't worry. The vast majority of Chinese characters are not that complicated. To know how to write Chinese characters, let's first think about how to write English words, such as this word, and this word, and this word. To be honest, I don't know how to pronounce these words or what they mean. But what I do know is that to write English words, you first need to know how to write the 26 alphabets. Likewise, to learn to write Chinese characters, you first need to master the 32 common strokes, just 6 more than 26 letters. This 32 common strokes are made up of 8 basic strokes, which are 横 or horizontal, 竖 or vertical, 撇 or throw, 捺 or press, 点 or dot, 提 or rise, 钩 or hook, and one or curve. Let's start practicing with the simplest stroke. The simplest and most commonly used stroke is the horizontal. Let's use 3 Chinese characters as examples to practice it. The first character is 一, which means 1, number 1, or the first. And yes, it looks exactly the same as 横 or horizontal. The right way to write 一 is from left to right. Please place it in the center of the square. If you look closely, you will see that the right end is slightly higher than the left, because we believe this makes the character look prettier. The second Chinese character is 二, which means 2, number 2, or the second. Write the top horizontal first, then the bottom one, each one from left to right. Let's write it a second time, left to right, top to bottom. Let's write it a third time, left to right, top to bottom. The top horizontal is shorter than the bottom one, because we believe this makes the character look better. The third character is 三, which means 3, number 3, or the third. Please write with me. First, the top horizontal, then the middle one, then the bottom one. Each horizontal should be written from left to right. Let's write it a second time, left to right, top to bottom. Let's write it a third time, left to right, top to bottom. The top 2 horizontals should be shorter than the bottom one. Again, because we believe that this makes the character look more beautiful. Now you have learned 3 characters. 一, 二, 三 means 1, 2, 3. 一, 二, 三, 1, 2, 3. There are also 2 basic writing rules, which are left to right and top to bottom. Can you write from right to left, bottom to top? Yes, of course. But that will look weird, and it's not good for you to write quickly and beautifully.